This that fall off the bone. Y'all know the drill. Welcome if you're new to this, or welcome back if you're true to this. It's me, Tyra, and this is a continuation of my previous video. Here's how I do my heatless curls because the girls want to know. So you want to start off by making sure your part is nice and straight, and then you go in and detangle your hair on both sides. This is what my hair is looking like. I want to say it's about a week and a half old. It still has a nice little body, nice little wave to it. And then going in with the star of the show, this heatless curler. You want to place it on top of your head and clip it in place with a clip like this. Real cute. Now let's get into the real action, the technique. Think of it like doing a flat twist. You want to take a little piece and wrap it around the curler. For each wrap, you want to add more hair. I feel like you can get the hang of it by just watching, but you just keep wrapping and keep adding hair as you go down, Once you get to the part where you have no more hair left to add, just wrap the remainder of your hair down the rod. Y'all see how neat that look? This is what you want it to look like. Nice and neat, nice and tight. I like to secure my rod in place like it's a flexi rod. So I bend the remainder rod and then I go in with the scrunchie and tie it up. I really hope what I'm saying is making sense, but you just want to repeat that process on the other side. To take the clip out at this point because I really don't need it. I feel like it's in my way. Starting off with a little piece, you wrap it around, you add some hair, you wrap that around, and you repeat the process. I'm telling y'all, it is just like doing a flat twist, except one of your pieces is the rod. I honestly think this is the easiest way to go about doing heatless curls. There are so many different techniques, but I feel like at the end of the day, it gives you the same results, so just do it the easy way. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I ran out of room on the rod, and instead of redoing the rod, all you gotta do is pull it down. Not only does it tighten the curls, but it gives you more space, so that's a little tip. And boom, we got our heatless curler applied. This is a little extra step that I'm taking. You don't have to do this, but I feel like my edges are getting thin, so I'm trying out this Way scalp serum. I'll let y'all know how I like it in a couple months, but I applied that to my edges, and now I'm going in with this huge bonnet. It's real cute though, isn't it? And now to secure the large bonnet, I'm taking a smaller bonnet because this bonnet will fall off my head if I just wore this. But yeah, it's 2 in the morning, so I went to bed. And now fast forward to the next day, makeup is on. Heatless curler is ready to come out. It's about 12 hours later. And just look at this. You take off the hair ties and just look at this. Look at how the hair fall off the bone. Oh my gosh, it really does it for me every time. It never gets old. Like, I know y'all see these curls. So cute, too hype. You really can't tell me nothing. It's important to note that my hair is a little old, as I stated in the beginning of the video, so the curls are a little looser. Here's what the curls would look like if I applied the heatless curler after curling my hair with a barrel. The curls are cute regardless. The hair looks good, but the curls are a little tighter when the hair is curled with a barrel and set with the heatless curler. And one thing about me, I will leave this house with the curler still in my head. I don't care. The hair is going to look good regardless. Now back to the video. I left to get some products. This is the Bread hair oil. I just got this recently and it is my favorite hair oil. It smells so good and it really is like lip gloss for your hair. So I'm just applying this to each side. You really don't need a lot. And if you struggle with flyaways, get you a wax stick. This wax stick is from Kiss. I normally don't do this with my heatless curls, but I just wanted to give y'all all the tips. Trust me, for flyaways, you need a wax stick. And that's how you do heatless curls. I don't have my mic, so I don't know how this audio is going to sound. But real simple, real cute. Oh, it eats. It eats, it eats, it eats. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, meet me in the comments and let's chat it up.